Hello students, welcome to day 2 of the visual journal. So far you've got a book with colors. Today we're going to transform it into an actual visual journal. The difference between a visual journal, and a sketchbook, usually a sketchbook is full of a collection of drawings, a journal is full of writing, and a visual journal has both. So today you need to have both words and drawings. So you want to choose words that have to do with the mood that you have selected. All right, so let me look here. Here I've got my journal entry, and I've written about my topic, which was the COVID-19 virus, and my mood is anxiety. So remember, you've got to have words that show mood. All right, so if I look here, I can say, all right, I got the word anxiety, fears, safe, I don't know what to do, and unsettling, unknown. Those are all words that support my theme, the mood that I chose, which was anxiety. Now, the second thing I need to do is make drawings, and I haven't finished that yet, but I've made some drawings here, and I gotta tell you, my drawings always look better when I use a reference. So I looked up that virus and I drew a picture of it. And your drawings have to be about the subject. It would not make sense for me to go and draw pictures of my dog, even though I love drawing pictures of my dog. That's not what this journal entry is about. So your subject and your words have to line up, and they have to be about the mood. And when I'm done drawing this, I could either tear this out again, or I could use scissors and cut it out. And I'm going to glue it into the page, into the journal where I think it would look best. When you're all done with that, or actually, even if you're not done, at some point in the middle, this isn't done yet. We have one more day, or at least one more day, of visual journal lessons. But I would like to see where you are right now. I would like to know how far you are in your process. Have you got your drawing? Have you got your sketches? Where are you? So I've prepared a Google slide here for you. Oh, that's not it. Google slide here. Where is it? Here it is. Now I've attached a Google slide on your classroom where I would like you to take a picture of the work you've done so far and add a slide to the document. Get your name here, and then I want you to do just as I did. I want you to tell me what your subject is, remind me again, remind all of us what is the mood, and also what do you still need to do. If you're done with everything, you could always just say, I'm waiting for the next step. That's all, guys. Have fun making more visual journals. And remember, you're not limited to only doing one page. It's your journal, so if you've got time, if you really enjoy it, go ahead and fill the book as much as you want.